Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike, and today I'm going to make a glorious smash burger for you out on the Blackstone Griddle. Coming up right now. Now before we get started with this video, there's a favor I'd like to ask of you. A lot of you that have been following me here for a while know that this is my dream. I want to do this full time someday. Little by little, things are happening around me to make that happen. There's a couple things you can do to really help me out. They're totally free and they'll only take you a second. First one is, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, turn on those notifications so you know when I release new content. Second thing is, those of you that have been following me again know that I have been working closely with El Yucateco hot sauce. This company has gone above and beyond to support me. It has helped me, it has helped my family, and it has gotten me a little bit closer to my end goal. I've been creating content for their channel. They just started a brand new brand channel here on YouTube, and I would really appreciate it, a personal favor to me, if you'd head over there and hit that subscribe button. Follow me there too, track my journey here, track my journey there, and get some awesome recipes along the way. So thank you for that. Alright, now there's really not a lot of history into this. This is just something that I created one day, and my son absolutely loved it, and he asks for these all the time. So without any further ado, let's get out to the Blackstone Griddle. It is a little chilly out today. I'm going to put on a jacket and make sure you have a skull cap. Let's go hang out on the porch and let's make a couple of these burgers. I'm going to make one for me and one for my son. I'll meet you guys outside. So I'm going to go ahead and start with these couple of hash brown patties and cover those up just to give those a little bit of a head start. My two left burners are on medium high, but slightly more towards high. This one here is on medium and the far right is on low. That's just going to be my keep warm station, and I'll probably actually turn that to off once I'm ready to start moving things there. I just want to get that a little bit warm. Now something new I'm going to try today is this VICTORINOX spatula. This thing is super heavy duty. It has beveled edges around all the edges, and it is going to probably make an outstanding smasher. So this is what I'm going to use to smash the burgers with today. This is going to be a trial run. I haven't used it before. We're going to see how it works out, but I got a really good feeling about it. It's cold out here. Okay, those hash browns have been on for a couple minutes. I'm going to start the bacon now. Now we've just got a thick cut bacon here. Instant smell, glorious smell. The sizzle, the smell, just incredible. My neighbor Kevin might be outside in a minute. He might get a whiff of this. All right. Give these hash browns a flip. Got a nice golden brown color. I'm going to go ahead and move those here to the keep warm side and let those continue to crisp a little bit right here. Alright, let's give this bacon a flip. That smells so good. Okay, my bacon's looking really good. I'm going to go ahead and turn off that far right burner, and I'm going to get it moved over there. Okay, now the thing about smash burgers is that they cook very fast. So you don't want to be burning those while you're waiting for other things to finish up on the griddle, which is why I did those couple of food items first. Now we're going to do our eggs, and we're going to let those wait too. Burgers are going to be last. I'm going to hit these eggs with a little bit of salt and pepper. Mostly just for that crunch, because we're going to get plenty of salt flavor from that bacon. Alright, now steam those bad boys. And my eggs are looking good. I'm going to also move those over here to the side. And it is now burger time. And here we go, moment of truth. Looking good. Little oblong there, but that's my fault. Very nice. That's a very thin burger. All right, let's do these next two. That one I got perfect. The others are a little oddly shaped, but they're still coming back as they render. So we're going to give those about a minute. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and start removing these ingredients. All right, let's give these a flip. Beautiful crust. Very nice. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and top these with some cheese. I'm going with some pepper Colby for mine because I like a little bit of heat. My son just likes American. We're going to help this melt out just a little bit. I'll go with a little bit of salt and pepper, again, just for texture. It really doesn't matter when you put this on. You can put it right on the meat, you can put it on the cheese, you can put it wherever you want. You just want to get a little bit of crunchiness from that pepper. And let's get a little toast on these brioche buns. All right, here we go. Get my son's first. Patty 1. Patty 2. There's our hash brown. Our egg. A couple slices of that beautiful bacon. Now mine. Patty 1. Patty 2. Hash brown patty. We crown these bad boys. Absolutely glorious. All right, we're back inside. I took a couple photos. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut mine open just for the effect, and we're gonna taste it like we always do. Just take a look at these beautiful masterpieces. Now, I'm telling you, these are absolutely delicious. If you like smash burgers or any kind of burgers, mix a little bit of breakfast flavors in there with them. You're going to be amazed at how good this is. And as always, the Blackstone just does a great job. All right, here we go. It's so beautiful now, it's like a work of art. I don't even want to cut it. I know, shut up and cut, right? Here we go. Oh, man, look at that. So delicious. I mean, I know it's delicious. I haven't tasted it yet, but I know it is. Watch this. Here we go. Get a little bit of egg ooze in there. This is really just a work of art. Okay, ready? Here we go. Cheers, everybody. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe here. Subscribe to the El Yucateco channel. Do me a favor. I'd really appreciate it. I love you all so much for all the support you've given me, and I can't thank you enough. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I wish you were here with me. I would have made you one of these. Let's knock this out. Okay, I don't have to explain those flavors to you or how glorious that is. I want to thank you for being with me today, all right? Take care. Till next time, I'll see you on the next episode.